go. Day, what is it, 3, 4? I'm losing count. That's how many days we've been doing this dojo. All right, so it wouldn't be a Randroid's dojo without a little disc golf. Got to have, physical activity. Otherwise, what? What are you? Yeah, what are you?
Chemical.
What kind of engineer is that? Okay. No, I'm just kidding. But he did do some work today. How was it? Tell us what you worked on.
It was pretty fun. I was working on sound stuff, so like I put this noise behind the door, so it was like someone was knocking. I was walking around the room, and different noises with like a boiling pot on the stove.
It sounds like we got a Hello Neighbor clone coming up.
Definitely, yes. And then more career like jobs in the field of software engineering and stuff.
Nice.
Yeah.
What are some jobs that sound interesting to you that kind of fit your skill set, you think, or your passion?
Either the software engineer or the game designer, one of those.
Nice. How many game designs do you have in your doc so far? Ideas?
Oh, like 2 or 3.
All right, keep adding to it. Well, we will be back in the office, Randroid's Dojo, tomorrow, and we'll check in with you then. Peace.